Retractable linen storage solutions let you air and dry towels and linens when needed, then fold flat to reclaim valuable space in small homes. Start by choosing the right type for your room and routine. Measure available wall cavity, depth, and door clearance before buying retractable towel bars that vanish into wall cavities or slide-away racks that fit behind doors. For fold-out drying panels, pick materials resistant to humidity like stainless steel or powder-coated aluminum and mount with heavy-duty anchors at stud locations or using toggle bolts for plaster walls. Install heated, retractable towel rails on a dedicated 20-amp circuit if they draw significant power, and use a ground fault circuit interrupter protected outlet in bathrooms for safety. For pop-out clothespin rods, keep the mechanism simple to reduce maintenance and use marine-grade stainless fasteners in coastal homes to prevent corrosion. Use periodic lubrication on sliding parts with a silicone-based spray to maintain smooth operation, and inspect mounting screws quarterly, tightening as needed to avoid sagging. When planning placement, consider airflow and proximity to windows or exhaust fans so linens dry quickly and avoid musty odors. Homeowners often pick units too shallow for actual towels, which leads to bunching and poor airflow. Select models with at least 2.5 inches of clearance for folded towels, and if space is extremely limited, rotate towels more frequently. A common problem is poor electrical planning for heated rails, which results in tripped breakers or unsafe wiring. Consult a licensed electrician and size the circuit and breaker to the rail specifications before installation. Many users also underestimate installation complexity and damage wall finishes by forcing cavity units into undersized spaces. Measure twice and cut once, or choose surface-mounted alternatives that provide the same retractable benefit without invasive work. We run bighomeprojects.com, where we help homeowners find trusted local contractors and contractors find work related to home upgrades like retractable linen systems. We also host an active discussion community on the site where members share installation tips, product experiences, and contractor recommendations.